I'm doing a video here on kind of my workshop. I usually spend a lot of time here. This is my computer that I spend a lot of my time on. And some of my supplies. My drafting table sits right there. So I spend part of my time in here. Then I'll go into my shop. And this is where I spend my other half of the time building some of my projects. Another one of my art tables. This is another desk I use kind of to finalize all my projects. Sometimes I'll be sitting here for hours. Anyway, I just wanted to show a short video of my office. A very small office and workshop. I'll be on a little bit later, kind of show you my next project, which is this. It's a jewelry box, and kind of show you a little more about that and what I'm doing with it. So, see you in a bit. Bye.